Hey folks, welcome to the Malaton. We came down here, we were here in February, less than 30 days ago, right before the unfortunate violence happened. And people have asked, I saw a lot of reports, during that time about things that just didn't happen. It was 48 hours of really not good things, but then it was over. It's kind of returned to normal. As you can see here, tons of people down here taking advantage of the beautiful weather. But there was a lot of videos that people saw that said, things that happened that didn't happen. Americans being kidnapped or sought after, gunfire within the airport. None of that happened. This was all clickbait made to get you to spend time driving up some other content creators' numbers. It's been said in less than 30 days, they have lost 30,000 tourists from coming down here. And that's just a shame because the people that are here are some of those friendly who ever want to going to be around. And like most places, the people who suffer the most from incidents like that are not the people we see on a daily basis, not the people you meet on the streets, not the people that you meet in restaurants or hotels. Those are the people that, you kind of get to be friends with or get to know and just want to, come back and spend time with again. If you've lived anywhere in the United States that has any kind of major city, you've had similar type of issues. Now you can say, see, but that was organized. It was the cartel. I mean, whether a crime or not is organized in the U.S. is up for debate. But I will say that even where we live in Cincinnati, every day when you turn on the TV, there's been probably a death or two from gun violence. Any major city in the United States is the same way. Chicago, LA, if you live in those places, you've been touched probably by a riot if you've lived there long enough. And yet these are all places that we still visit, vacation in, and go into downtowns and eat. Now, what do you do differently? Well, it's the same thing. You don't do anything differently. The things you would do there are the same things that you would do here. You don't travel back alleys at night. You're always aware of your surroundings. And I don't care where you live or where you travel, from Orlando and Disney World to down here, those are the kind of things you always want to be doing all the time, no matter how you travel. I would say to people, listen, this is still a great place to vacation. We'll still come here, and we are happy to book you into a place down here with our recommendations and some of our experience. Several hotels we found very nice. Obviously, Hacienda, Hotel Maya was really great. We're going to do a thing on that. Enjoyed that a lot. Of course, we like the Flamingo out in the marina. They all have a different reason to stay there. They're different positioning in the city somewhat. And, they're great places and we can recommend to you. That's going to film well. Hey, is there one take? That trip's going right in there, and that's a trip in.
The city's safe. The concrete's hot.
Well, the concrete is kind of older. There's a lot of construction down here, and it doesn't have anything to do with what happened. They have been investing a lot of money down here for some time now. So our Sunday one take is to you. And she agrees.
She does.
She agrees 100%. So our question today, will you take the opportunity to come down and see people like this and reinvigorate and make this an important place to come and visit, or will you stay home? Are you looking for some safe place to travel? And if you know where that is, please let me know in the comments. Other than that, let us hear from you. Stay wonder worthy.